Facing issues with WhatsApp not automatically saving photos and videos to your iPhone gallery? This could happen due to incorrect settings, lack of storage, or even app restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to solve autosave issues on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on and off airplane mode. Solution 1. Check auto download settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app again. Tap the settings from below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap storage and data. Scroll down again. Tap photos under media auto download. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. And then go back and tap video. And select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Enable save to photos. Go to WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings from the below. Tap chats. Now toggle on the option called save to photos. Now, check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Allow full access to photos. Open up the settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap apps. Now find out the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on it. Next, tap on photos. Make sure the full access is selected here. Hope your autosave issues on WhatsApp on your iPhone is solved now. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.